Okay, now let's talk about an HO4, aka a renter's policy. Basically two parts. The property part, general liability part. Property, just like it sounds, is your stuff. Furniture, clothes, electronics, etc. General liability. This covers you for allegations of negligence if you cause bodily injury or property damage to somebody else. This is what your landlord cares about. He or she does not care about your property, but they care about this. If your kid overflows a toilet, floods the apartment underneath you, you cause a grease fire, burn the property down, your general liability is going to cover that. So that's what they care about. On the property side, pay attention to a couple things. You want to make sure that this is a replacement cost policy, not an actual cash value policy. Replacement cost, just like it sounds, we're going to replace it with new stuff. An actual cash value policy is going to depreciate it. You can't depreciate your clothes in your closet. So if you've got a Coach handbag and something happens to it, you want a new Coach handbag, not a depreciated one. So replacement cost is what you want to think about. With that being said, look at your limit. You normally start at a $15,000 limit for your stuff. You probably have $10,000 worth of clothes. So don't cheap out and try to save $20 by too low of a limit. So that is basically a renter's policy.